Hi. Today we're going to tell you what is evasive ad content. We'll also discuss the account suspension due to the Evasive Ad Content Policy, and how our Google partner team can help you with this question. Let's get started. What is evasive ad content? Google does not tolerate the manipulation of ad content made by the advertisers for evading the review process or enforcement action. This manipulation can be done in any ad component, that is domains, image, text, video, etc. How do advertisers try to evade detection by manipulating their content? Misspelled words. Using trademarked terms. Avoid invisible UNICODE characters. Don't hide policy-violating content. Can violation of evasive ad content policy lead to immediate account suspension? Your account is not immediately suspended if you violate the Evasive Ad Content Policy. You would receive a prior warning if your content is found to be violating this policy. A minimum of 7 days would be given to you in form of a warning before the suspension of our account. How to fix suspension due to Evasive Ad Content Policy violation. You can fix your ad with policy violations by requesting its review from your ad account. Google would allow running your ad if your ad is found to be compliant with policy. Further, if you believe that Google has made an error while reviewing your ad, you can also request an appeal from your ad account. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.